Hello! Welcome to Algoine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rent a strategy and start a bot. First of all, in order to start a bot, you need to have already added an API. We'll quickly skip this step since adding an API is the subject of another video. If you don't know how to add a Binance API, please watch our related video. Click on Strategy Market in the menu. And after examining the strategies you can rent in detail, select a strategy that suits you and click on the Rent this Strategy button at the top. After renting a strategy, you will see it under the Rented Strategies section on your My Strategies page. You can start the bot by opening the menu from the top right corner of the strategy and selecting Run. After selecting the correct API and the strategy you want to run, click the Start button. To run your bot in paper trading mode, you should select an API that has been added for paper trading. You will receive notifications about the status of your bot. After your bot has started, you can go to the My Bots page from the menu to examine your bot. Here, you can view the general status of your bot and examine your open and closed positions. By clicking on any position, you can also see the details of that position. You can manage which notifications you want to receive from your bot with the Set Notifications button. If you want to pause your bot, use the Pause button. Pausing means that the bot will not open new positions but will continue to maintain existing positions until they are closed. To resume the bot, you can click the Resume button. If you want to stop and close the bot completely, click the Stop button. I hope I was able to explain it well. Thank you for watching.